Okay guys, here we are with the final room update because we're at the point of putting the walls and things on. So yeah, here's the look. We have a new window. It's gonna go here. This wall is almost done. This wall is almost done. It's so hard to see because now it's just a room with walls. Now we got the window out. Now there's a nice big hole. He's cutting it out now to widen it for the new window. Last part of the room to get done is around the window. Okay guys, so the walls are done. The floor is done. I'm gonna be painting this weekend. The only thing we have left is the ceiling. So check out how pretty this room is. Nice, pretty new window. Beautiful. So we just have the ceiling to put up and then the new lighting. Got all the trim pieces put in up to the top part. Gonna wait on doing any of the top molding and trim until we get the ceiling put in. But I am going to be painting this beautiful eggshell color on the walls. Eggshell color. If I had a piece of paper you could tell. Okay, I have beautiful eggshell painted walls in the room. All of the trim has been painted to match, just so that it kind of keeps it uniform. It looks so pretty and echoey. This room is coming along like phenomenally. Yeah, I'm just like so happy about this room. So I just finished painting. Pardon the hair. Next part will be, the next time they come, they're going to be doing the ceiling and the lights. So that'll be later at the end of this video. So talk to you later, bye. Okay, here we go guys. So this is the next section. It is very echoey in the room now because we finally have a ceiling. My light is so bright. It's amazing. But we have a beautiful ceiling all around now. Wood panel ceiling. And my light fixture's all nice and mounted beautifully so we can replace it or do anything we need with that. And these I think are my switches so that I can actually change it. It's on its lowest setting right now. And it's freaking bright. It's gonna light up this room like daytime. That's amazing, it's so bright. Now it's time to paint. So I'll paint the ceiling, we'll get the trim done. I'm gonna paint the floor, get that done, and then I might do a little quick update on that, and then putting in the shelving. And then we'll call the remodel done. So yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, here we go guys with the final update. The room is finished. We have a painted ceiling, all trim is in place, painted walls, painted floors. The whole room is absolutely amazing. Thanks for joining me on this journey. So the next section of this update will be the shelving. We're getting ready to install them now. So, all right, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we have finally made it to the end and the shelving is done. Sneak peek. The whole room is shelving. Ha ha ha. Alright, I'll go to the door. Here we go. My door. 6 feet of shelving here. There's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 feet of shelving over here. 5 shelves each. This is a 3.5 and a 3-foot section, 6.5 feet, and then this is 8 feet of shelving over here. My room. So thank you for joining me on my journey to getting my room redone. Now for the fun part, which is going to be pulling all the fabric out of those tote bins and getting it on the shelving so that I can access it nice. So thank you for stopping by, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see any future videos. Make sure to hit the bell, and have a wonderful afternoon, and I will see you next time. Bye.